'07 Cadillac CTS. It's just a quick video. I'm just going to show you where your drain, you got a drain in the fill. Of course, you have no dipstick on these. So to do the trans service, you got to drain it over there underneath with a T45, and then you fill on the side here. On the driver's side, you got a fill plug right there. Okay, this fill plug is a T45. Okay, and it always strips because it's always really tight. So, and you can't get, it's hard to get anything in there. So what you do, see how they strip? Is just make you a little mark right here at the side, and then tap it, of course counterclockwise, with a little chisel and a hammer, and it'll break right loose. Heat it up if you have to a little bit if you have a propane torch. Then after that, you will get this, your MM18 by 1.5, and it will be a regular bolt with a 19 head that you will be putting back in there, and nobody will ever go through this garbage again. So thanks for watching.